Hello guys, welcome to Artistry Lines. Today we will learn how to make a presentation using PowerPoint. As we have learned a lot about Microsoft Word, we have seen so many different things we can make by using Word. Now we will learn how to make different things on PowerPoint. Click on the option blank and select it. By clicking on it, you can see a slide is open. Now here you can see so many options like insert, design, transitions, animations. First of all, you have to design your slides. Select the option design and here you can see so many designs. I am selecting the green one. And yes, it looks very good. Now after selecting the design, you have to click to add title. Here you have to write a title of your slide. Here I am writing friendship is important. Now after writing the title, select the whole text and change the language style. I am changing it in Arial Black. Now you have to select the option click to add subtitle and here you will write the name of the presenter of the slide. Here I am writing made by XYZ. You have to write the name instead of XYZ. For example, I am writing name Nimra. Now select the option home and you have to insert new slide. Here you are seeing so many options of the slides available. I am pasting a picture with content. So I will select content with caption. Okay, so first slide is of introduction. You have to select on the option click to add title. And here you will write introduction. Okay, so I forgot to press the caps lock key. So first press the caps lock key from the keyboard and then write introduction. Now you have to change the font style. Select the text introduction and then change it in Arial Black. Now you have to insert an image on the introduction slide. Okay, so click on the option image and select the image from my computer you have saved earlier from the Google. Now enlarge the image by moving the cursor. Adjust it properly and now you have to add text on the slide. After writing the text, change its font style. Also increase the font size. Maximum 24. And your introduction slide is ready. Now moving towards the next slide. Add another slide by similar method. And after adding the new slide, now you have to paste image. And yes, input the content you have to write on it. Here is the final look of another slide. Okay, so basically my presentation is based on only 3 slides as I am only briefing the method. You can add multiple slides according to your presentation. Okay, so now my presentation is almost ready. Now we have to add transitions on each slide. Click on the option transition and here you can see there are multiple options available of transitions. Select any one transition and add it in your slide. Okay, so it's up to you whether you are choosing only one transition for your whole presentation or whether you are changing your transition from one slide to another. I am changing the transition in every slide. After transition, now we will move towards animation. Click on the option animation and like transition, there are also multiple options available for animations. Choose any one animation for your slide. Now you have to add these animations in every slide. After completing the whole animation, now we will move towards slideshow. Select the option slideshow and then click on from beginning option. Check the whole transitions and animations of your presentation, either it looks okay or not. Okay, so my presentation looks something like this. Just see the smoothness of the transition. It's just looking like a wow. Okay, so now everything is almost completed. Now you have to add background music to a presentation. Select the option audio and you can add any of the music you want to add in your presentation. After adding the music, now you have to do some settings. Select the option audio tools and then select the option play across slide so that your music will be playing in all the slides. And your presentation is ready. Now press F5 for the final look of the presentation. And it was the final look of the presentation. That's for all for today. Hope you guys enjoy a lot. Follow up my channel for upcoming exciting video. Stay tuned.